Next JS versus Vite, best React framework tool. I'm going to tell you the difference between Next.js and Vite. Next.js and Vite both help you build React apps, but they serve different purposes. Next.js is a full stack framework. It gives you routing, server side rendering, API routes, image optimization, and clear structure out of the box. It's great for production ready apps, especially if you're building something complex, SEO friendly, or scalable, like a blog, SaaS, or e commerce platform. Vite, on the other hand, is more of a front end build tool. It's incredibly fast, uses native ES modules, and gives you near instant hot reloads in development. It's perfect for simple projects, prototypes, or when you want to build your own stack with more flexibility. So if you want something complete and opinionated, go with Next.js. If you want speed and control, Vite could be better. And honestly, some teams ever use both. Vite for fast local dev and Next for deployment. It all depends on your project's needs.